Got an ACCDE file from your organization's IT team and Access won't let you edit it? That's by design. This is a locked-down database for end users. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain what ACCDE files are and how to work with them. I've reserved the ultimate tool for the end. It's the kind of magic application that knows how to handle almost any ACCDE file. Let's try the simple solutions first. ACCDE files are execute-only database files created from Microsoft Access ACCDB databases, with all Visual Basic source code compiled and removed. They allow users to run forms, reports, and queries, but prevent viewing or modifying the database design, VBA code, and certain design objects, protecting the developer's intellectual property. ACCDE files use the same ACE database engine format as ACCDB files, but with VBA source code, stripped and compiled to P code only. Design view access is disabled for forms, reports, and modules, while table data and query execution remain fully functional. The format serves as a distribution-ready version of Access applications. For viewing and interaction, ACCDE is most commonly opened via Microsoft Access from Microsoft Corporation. The file is susceptible to corruption when accessed by standard Windows processes. Windows cannot show relational rows or fields, so specialized applications must open these files. Begin the search for the specific application handler. Right-click the ACCDE file and choose Open With. Use Microsoft Access first. If it's absent, select another program. This test sequence is essential. If your ACCDE file will not open yet, do not panic. I'm going to explain the most common technical reasons behind the file failure before we use the one-click solution. First, opening in Microsoft Access. Open the ACCDE file in Microsoft Access by double-clicking or using File, then Open. The database opens in runtime-like mode, allowing you to use forms, run reports, and interact with data normally. Note that you cannot open forms or reports in Design View or access the VBA editor to view or modify source code. Next, running without full access. If you do not have the full Microsoft Access application, install the free Microsoft Access runtime from Microsoft's Download Center. The runtime allows you to open and use ACCDE databases with all forms and reports functional without requiring a paid Office license for end-user operation of distributed database applications. Finally, requesting the source. If you need to modify the database design or VBA code, you must obtain the original ACCDB source file from the developer. ACCDE files cannot be reverse compiled back to editable ACCDB format. Contact the database developer or IT department to request design changes, or obtain the unlocked source database for authorized modifications. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Using raw-level data inspection is a recommended method to try and uncover a file's true requirements when the extension label is unclear or shared. The complexity of this file is clear now when the other solutions have failed. Your best chance for recovery lies with a superior program like FileMagick. Access it at filemagick.com. Did the fix work for you? Leave a quick comment below and be sure to subscribe so you catch the next video.